If you're ready to embark on a low-carb journey with the Atkins Diet Phase 1, you're in for a treat. Today, I'll be sharing the ultimate food list for Phase 1 to help you jumpstart your weight loss goals. Let's get started. Phase 1, also known as the Induction Phase, is the starting point of the Atkins diet. It focuses on minimal carb intake to kickstart ketosis, a state where your body burns fat for fuel. Let's explore the foods you can enjoy during Atkins Diet Phase 1. Number 1. Proteins. Lean proteins are your best friends. Enjoy poultry, like chicken and turkey, along with beef, pork, and fish. Don't forget eggs too, they're versatile and satisfying. Number 2. Healthy fats. Embrace healthy fats. Load up on avocados, nuts, seeds, and extra virgin olive oil. They'll keep you energized and full throughout the day. Number 3. Non-starchy veggies. Fill your plate with non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and asparagus. They're low in carbs and high in essential nutrients. Number 4. Dairy. Include full-fat dairy products like Greek yogurt, cheese, and butter. They add flavor and richness to your meals. Number 5. Beverages. Stay hydrated with water, herbal teas, and black coffee. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for unsweetened alternatives. As you embark on Phase 1, keep these tips in mind. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Happy Atkins dieting!